I'm gonna like be different to my family, to my like looking different to everyone. I don't show anyone, just only my friends. Like, I'm gonna surprise everyone. I'm still young, to be honest. Yeah, I don't wanna get bored like when I'm young. I work usually, and I play sports, sometimes soccer. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's something new in my hands, feeling like big different in myself. Like every time when I'm looking at that mirror, I'm gonna like get surprising to how I look like right now. She's so awesome. She did like really good job. So to be honest, like my brother told you guys, like I'm asking like him, like I wanted something to wear in my head. Like he told me like, yeah, I know somewhere like in Toronto, like go check and see. Like yeah, and I come. You guys do the best work. Everyone, you wanna try and you're scared, just come try. Like it's good work, amazing job, kind people. It's the best place. Amazing, to be honest.